If you think that the party ODM and the leadership of the ODM is taking a trajectory that you don't want to take, the best thing to do in a democracy, and that is why we even brought independent candidates, and there are so many political parties, over 40 of them in the country, and you can start a new one if you want. But we cannot be in a political party where the party leader is saying X and Secretary General is saying Y. That is confusion that cannot be tolerated in any political formation. I have been the national chairman of ODM for 11 years. And I'm the one who was responsible for discipline, and I know the rules of ODM. You cannot disagree with the decision that the party structure, the party organ has taken, like Central Committee or National Executive Council, or National Executive Committee or National Governing Council. You cannot disagree with that position and continue to hold a political party office. You can remain as a member. So if Sifuna wants to talk freely, then we relieve him of his responsibility as the Secretary General and allow him to remain as ODM member. But if he doesn't want, he can also move to another political formation. And I'm hearing people saying that Sifuna is ODM, ODM is Sifuna. The majority of the people who are saying ODM is Sifuna are non-members of ODM. How can ODM be Sifuna? ODM was not even Raila. Raila has died and we are still fighting over ODM. Imagine Raila is no more. And so ODM is still there, we are fighting over. If ODM is dead, would you fight over dead thing? So now he has been told you are not the Secretary General. Political decisions are made by political parties. We have decided as a party, and I'm a member of ODM. And I say Sifuna should go. And I'm very excited that he has gone. Kama wao ndiye wengi tuone, aende nao watu woke wengi, tuone tumebaki wachache wangapi. Si ndio? Kama team, owe wagitini wana. Amba yero waten. Wabenjo matin, but maungi kuku edierwa. Si ndio? So I am saying, Sifuna, if you are the majority, sawa, go with your majority, leave us in peace. The minority we are will work with Ruto to 2027. After 2027, we are ready to take over the leadership of this country as a party.